Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia C21 Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend it, and on one of the pages hopefully we'll have our hotspot toggle. If you don't see it, you can tap on a pencil right here, and this will show you obviously an extended list of toggles that are also disabled, which hotspot is one of them. So let's grab it and drag it over to the top and drop it, and now we can access it from here. Now before you tap on it to enable it, I would recommend holding it because we will need to navigate in here so we can check the hotspot password, which is randomly generated. And as you can see, that is the randomly generated password for me. For you it will be obviously different. Now you could utilize this one, but I recommend just completely removing it and setting up your own. The password does need to have at least 8 characters in length. So there we go, at which point you can save it. And that's really all I would recommend changing. And you could, actually wouldn't recommend actually changing anything at all. So all of these settings are basically set to be the best at the moment. You don't have a choice for AP band, so I'm not even going to touch upon this. So don't change that, and I wouldn't recommend turning off the automatic turn off hotspot, because this will save your battery. Whenever you forget to turn it off yourself, it will do it for you. Anyway, so now that we have changed the password, we can just close this, and whenever you want to utilize your hotspot, simply find the toggle once more and tap on it. And as you can see, turning on, and now it's enabled. So that's all you would need to do. And once you're done with the hotspot, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once more. I'm going to point out one thing. Wi-Fi is right now turned off. And if I disable this, it turns it back on. So it uses the same antennas as Wi-Fi as well. So when enabling hotspot, you will be strictly using your mobile network only. And as long as it's enabled, obviously you won't have access to Wi-Fi. But the moment you disable it, it will re-enable your Wi-Fi antennas and utilize or connect to any kind of network that you might have around you. So something to keep in mind. Now with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.